Okay, students, this is our learning objective today. Yeah, page setup and margin. Ya, page setup and margin. Ya, in bahasa, margin adalah batas kertas. Ya, di sini kita akan mengatur margin. When you want to type something like letter, ya, seperti surat, mengetik, you must set your margin. Harus diatur marginnya supaya nanti rapi kelihatannya, ya. Okay, it's about margin. Okay, and then students in here assignment, please do your typing until box number 6. Yeah, last week.
Sir, I already finished, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah.
I already finished, sir.
Later we see together. Later we see together. Yeah. But this is for the students. Yeah, all students. Yeah. Minimal next week. Yeah, next Thursday before Zoom, you must finish until box number 6. Yeah. Jadi every week, every Thursday before Zoom, Sir Juan see this, ya, and we see all, ya. Kita akan melihatnya semua. Okay. And I will give point to you if you have finished until number 4. Okay, class.
Sir, Aida sampai yang W, sir.
Okay. Good. I will see from here, ya. Okay, under. Still number 2. Box number 2. It means you don't get the point. You must finish until here, ya. Tapi ini dah deadline. And next Thursday before Zoom, under, you must finish until this one. Number 6. Ataya Kansa. Okay, Ataya Kansa still number 1 not complete. Afram, you done until number 4. Okay, I will give point. Okay.
Sir, bukannya Afram, sir.
You can see here.
Sir, yang saya kasih poinnya under, sir.
Under not check, ya.
Ya,
Under.
sir. Not check, sir, under.
Wow, under. Why not check? You don't get point lah, under. Like that. Afram, ya.
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yeah, please.
I cannot what sir, belum siap hari itu kan sir. Apa nama aplikasi sir?
What?
Tapi yang semalam yang saya bagi buat itu apa nama aplikasinya saya lupa saya. Typing student ya?
Typing.com.
Typing.com.
Okay, Afram, ya. Already get Afram, ya. Okay, we continue. Benny Pansipayong already get until 5, ya. Okay, sampai 4 pun sergip, ya. Benny, okay. Next. Okay, Brian not chat. Karisa Nomi already get, ya, Karisa. Okay, next. Darrell not chat, ya. Claudia not chat also, still 1, not complete. David, wow, already David. Okay, David already until here ya. And next week you will get again also ya. Next weeknya sudah selesai juga. Tapi David, if you want to continue, it's okay ya, it's good. Lanjutkan aja.
Username saya apa, Sir? Student login itu, Sir.
Ya, Gogo. Gogo still number 2 ya. Itu pun not complete.
Ya, username saya itu apa, Sir?
Oh, see from the PDF file. Sir already say to all students, you must remember your username ya. Don't forget. Sir, I already say ya. Say last week ya. Jadi harus diingat. Kalau sering nggak ingat semua students ya. So many students. Punya serjuan banyak siswanya. Jadi you must remember ya. Jessica, wow. Jessica tanggung kali Jessica. Still number 4 but not complete. Jadi sir not give ya. Don't give you. Elliptical curve. Ini elliptical curve is this. Kok still not yet register. Belum register. Kenjo? Kenjo, can you hear me?
Yes.
Kenjo, you can tell me what is your username?
Not yet, sir.
Why, Kenjo?
I forgot.
Oh my God. Ya, this is must ya. Ini harus semua students harus join this ya. Typing. All grade from grade 1 until 8. Ya, ini every week. Setiap minggu sir akan periksa progresnya ya. Karen, still number 1. Itu pun not complete. 14. Kin, where are you, Kin? Can you respond, Kin? What is the reason? Why still elliptical 14? Belum login. Kin, are you there? Kin, what are you doing, Kin? Kin? Wow, I think with connection. 14, not yet. 15 also, lovely. Still not yet join. Still not yet change username. Salsalina. Yeah, Salsalina already, yeah. Vincent Karo, okay. Josefa, okay, good Josefa. Please continue. Boleh dilanjut Josefa ya, good. Okay, finish. Yeah. Until 21. Okay, 22. Yolanda, please change your username. Yeah. Please login, Yolanda and Teresa. And also Mike. Lovely, Kin. Kenzo. Yeah. You must change this name, ini yang ada name-nya di sini by still elliptical, kamu change by your name ya. Oke. Oke, Kin, you understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay, for the other students still not yet register, still not yet login, please login and then change your username by your name. Don't forget your username ya, like Gogo just now. Don't forget, you must remember that one. You can write on your book or your handphone. Ya, it is up to you ya. The important one you must remember that. Harus diingat itu, kid. Okay, now I want to share this one. So next week, next Thursday before Zoom, Sir Juan will give you again the point ya from class dojo. Saya akan kasihkan lagi poin class dojo if you have finished until here. Box number 6. Sir, I can already finish, sir. Oh, it is okay. I will give next week also, ya. Understand, students?
Understand, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, page setup. I think this is not hard. This easy one. Yeah, this is page setup. Mengatur page setup dan margin. Ya, page itu adalah halaman. Jadi di halaman itu ada marginnya ya, kid. Page margin are the blank space. Ya, this one blank space. Ya, ada ruang yang kosong near the edge of the page, yang dekat dengan ujung daripada kertas. Okay, I want to show you. You can see this one. Sir Juan want to show this one. Ya, this one, students. Ini kan kertas ya. Bisa lihat, kid? Ya, in here di edge ini di ujung ini kan ada blank space. Have blank space ya. Ada yang kosong ini. Ada in the left, ada in the right side, and have also in the button at the top, atas bawah ya, itu ada yang kosong. Ya. Ada yang blank space. That the mean is page margin. Itulah namanya margin. Ya, how to set it, bagaimana kita mau mengaturnya. Ya, if you want to make the margin large, kalau mau dibuat marginnya lebih besar, atas, bawah, ya right side and top, ya boleh kita atur nanti berapa, ya tergantung keinginan kita. Okay, and then click on how to make it. First, click on the page layout, and then choose page setup, and then choose ya, and in there have page setup dialog akan muncul ya, dialog box launcher. In the page setup dialog box appear, it has 3 tab. Ada di situ 3 tab. Ya, kit have margin, paper, and layout. Ya. So we choose margin. Kita kan mau mengatur margin. Ya, select margin tab in the desired option form. In here, kid, look at this. Ya, ada di situ margin. Kid. And then top, button, left, and right. This the increase or decrease size of for margin. Ya, top. Ini margin atas, kid, top. This is button. Ya, this is button. We can change this one, can. Bisa kita merubahnya. If you want to add, click this one. Ya, if you want to decrease, mengurangin, click this one. All of them same ya. This in on top, to increase, yang di bawah itu to decrease. This is top button, and this is left margin, and this is right margin. Students, that's about margin ya. And gutter, this to add extra space to the side or top margin of a document you plan to bind. A gutter margin ensure that the text does not hide to in the margin section. Select the binding. Oke, ini binding ini maksudnya gini. Gutter ini, kid, ya, ini if you want to make, kita bilang in bahasa menjilid, ya, dijilid, kid. Jadi kita buat kalau menjilid itu di tengah-tengahnya itu kertas harus kita buat blank space supaya nanti pada saat kita jilid dia tulisannya, teksnya tidak tertutup. Ya. Oke. Jadi kalau kamu mau buat ada rencana mau menjilid your paper atau page kamu, ya kamu atur di sininya. Nanti kita lihat gimana kita praktek langsung ya. Oke, the next. Yeah. And then in orientation section, select portrait and landscape. Ya, di orientation tadi ada portrait and landscape. This one. Orientation ya, have portrait and have landscape. I believe in this class you understand what portrait and what landscape. David, do you understand portrait and landscape? You
Yes,
can,
sir.
yeah. You can explain how portrait and how is landscape. If landscape, okay, I want to show you. If like this is landscape or portrait?
Portrait.
This is portrait. Okay, Josefa, good. If like this,
Landscape.
landscape. Ya, landscape. Jadi, you must know this is the portrait. Ya, dia memanjang ke atas bawah, ya, seperti vertikal, ya, vertikal like this. If landscape like this, like horizontal, ya. That's how to set, bagaimana mengatur bentuk kertas paper kita, letter ya. Kita mau mengetik, we want to type ada the paper like portrait or landscape. Jadi mau kita ketik atau tidak, seperti ini. Okay, if like this kid, I have table like this. Ini timetable. This is of course kita atur adalah menggunakan portrait or landscape. Students, what is this?
Landscape, sir.
Ya, this is landscape ya, karena dia mau lebar. Oke. Jadi you must understand about that ya. Kita harus memahami about landscape and portrait. Oke. Oke. Continue. Orientationnya ada dua ya, have portrait and landscape. Ya. Ya, di sini portrait itu vertically and horizontal itu untuk landscape. Okay, page setup margin in here have in the page section select the appropriate option from multiple page drop down list. Ada normal, ya, mirror margin, ya, normal option ini for getting the normal document. Mirror margin option for setting the facing page in documents such as book and magazine. Jadi dia kalau mirror margin ini kita pilih, dia seperti like book ya. Jadi halamannya itu dia saling berhadap-hadapan seperti book atau like magazine. Ya, you know magazine ya, majalah itu kan seperti buku juga ya, like book. 2 page per sheet ya. Option itu adalah for printing 2 page on 1 sheet. Jadi nanti kalau if we choose 2 page per sheet, itu nanti akan muncul dia in 1 sheet, satu lembar itu 2 halaman, ya, 2 page. Book fold option for creating booklet with the specific number of page, ya. Ini yang kalau dia buku seperti yang dilipat. Ya, in the preview section, select either of the option from apply to drop down list. Ya, ini mau dibuat ke apply itu adalah diaplikasikan ke, kita bisa memilih full document option, apakah ke seluruh halaman, or this point forward, apakah hanya ke bagian ini dan seterusnya saja. Kalau yang ada bagian sebelumnya nggak kita aplikasikan, it is okay. Jadi kita pilih yang this one. Tapi kalau if we want to make all page, all document, maka we choose this one. Ya, whole document option. Oke, now we practice directly ya. Kita akan praktekkan aja langsung. Ya, we open first Microsoft Word. Ya, Microsoft Word, this one. Ini kita buka dulu Microsoft Word Kit. Okay, how to open Microsoft Word? I believe every student have understood. Ya, ya, click this one, start. Ya, klik find Microsoft Office. Ya, Microsoft Office, this one, and then click Word 2013. Ya, kamu akan membukanya. Okay, this one. Example ya, ini contoh. Students, just now if you want to search margin, what the first we click, student? Apa yang kita yang kita klik? Who knows? Ayo, I will give point if you know. What we click? File, home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. Who want to answer?
Membuka apa, Sir?
We want to make, kita mau mengatur margin. Kita mau ngatur margin ini dulu.
Page setup.
Page setup, Yosefa. Is there page setup here? Coba kamu ada lihat page setup di sini?
Home, Sir. Home user.
Home?
Layout, Sir.
No,
Home.
no home. Who is just now?
Layout, Sir.
Who is just now say page layout?
Salsa, Sir.
Hah?
Salsa.
Salsalina. Oke, Salsalina, page layout. Oke, good. Page layout. Oke. Good ya. Page layout. We click this one, page layout. Ya, and then what we click, students who want to answer?
Page setup. Page
Ya,
setup.
David?
Margin, Sir.
We not yet, belum margin.
Page setup, Sir.
Oke, Karisa, page setup, this one ya, page setup. Page setup ya. Oke, page setup. Okay, now I want to choose. I use this one aja ya, random ya. Okay, Karisa again, your name. After we click page setup, what we choose? We want to set margin or paper or layout. What we choose, Karisa?
Margin, Sir.
Margin. Oke, we choose margin, not paper ya, bukan paper, bukan layout, tapi margin. Oke. Now we continue. After that, if you want to change, yeah, okay, Ataya already answer. You want to answer or you want to ask Ataya?
I want to answer, Sir.
Oh, wait. The question, wait. Yeah, already that's not the question. Let me have the question again, yeah. Okay. We already choose margin, yeah, not paper, ya. Bukan paper, bukan layout, but we choose margin. Okay. Now, okay, Sir Juan want to show you this first, ya. Coba kita atur dulu, kita ketik dulu teks ya. Teks, okay. I want to copy first. Coba kita copy dulu the text. Oh, not. Yeah, this one. Coba we try first ya. Jadi kamu bisa melihat perbedaannya. You can see this one. Ya. Perhatikan kid, this one ya. This is ini marginnya, we don't know marginnya berapa. Tapi lihat, this is margin topnya. Ini kelihatannya kecil kid. Ya, kecil. Karena kita lihat tidak begitu lebar ya marginnya. Blank space edge of top yang paling atas. Oke, coba kita try page setup, klik page setup, and then margin topnya you can see this one how much 0,79. Ya, that's right. Now we change, coba kita change, kita buat 2 ya kid. After serjuan klik OK, nanti kid kamu perhatikan di sini kid, ini semakin lebar kid. It mean marginnya semakin besar karena serjuan make 2, dan tulisan the text Milky Way Galaxy New ini akan turun ke bawah because ini akan semakin lebar. Oke, coba we try ya, kita klik OK. Ya, perhatikan kid. You can see this one. Margin Milky Way text-nya go down, turun ke bawah. Ya, this is top margin. And then we continue to the left margin. Ya, look at here, this one. Okay, we try page setup, margin. Ya, we change this ya. You can see the left one, yang paling kiri kit 1,27. We change 2. Change 2 ya. Coba we change 2. Ya, change 2. Lihat kit, perhatikan perbedaannya nanti kit. Ya, bergeser sedikit kit. Ya, bergeser sedikit. Ya. This is left. Right. We see the right one. Okay, the right one here, 1 also ya. We change to become 2. Ya, you can see here. Perhatikan kid. Ya, already move ya. And then we continue at the bottom. Margin bottomnya kid. Let's layout, let's set up, and then bottom here we change to become 2 also ya. Yeah, can see at the bottom here. This one. Ready ya kid? You can see the different kid. Ada perbedaannya. Okay, that's the way how to things or how to make your margin kid. And then we continue to the orientation here. If you see this one, this is landscape ya kid. Kalau kotak seperti ini kita lebih baik landscape because so many table here, cap number, name, date of birth, gender, religion, and phone number. Yeah. So we need to change the paper, orientation paper with landscape. How if we change with portrait? Yeah. Margin and we change portrait ya kid. Look at ya kid. Perhatikan perubahannya kid. We change this one ya, portrait, and we click OK. Look at kid. Look at the text, date of birth. Coba tanggal lahirnya kamu lihat kid. Mengecil. And the names also, dan juga namanya. Perhatikan di sini. Namanya itu kid sudah bergeser juga. Because this is portrait. Ya, kita ini buat portrait kid. Dia bukan landscape. Jadi merubah semua isi teks. Oke, who want to change, mengembalikannya menjadi landscape? Who can? I will give remote to you. Who want to try? Yo, who want to try? Ataya. Okay, Ataya, you want to try? Yes.
Landscape option to print the document horizontally.
Yes, I will give remote. Coba saya akan kasih remote kamu, kamu bisa mengerjakan dari situ. You can move my mouse from your laptop. Bisa kamu kendalikan dari situ. Can? And you want, and we will see.
I want try, sir. I want try, sir.
Okay, David ya. Okay, David, I will give to you ya. Okay, David, please. This is portrait. Now change the orientation with landscape. Okay, so easy ya. That one. Okay, David, that you choose from that ya, from here ya. Okay, now sir want you change from page setup. Note that the small arrow in the right side. You can click small arrow right side. Yeah, no. Beside page setup. Yeah, that one. Click. And then you can change. Okay, in there, yeah. That portrait. And this one landscape. Okay, good. Okay, that's good, David. Okay, I will stop, yeah. Okay, enough, David. Can you stop to move your mouse? Okay, thank you, David. I will give you point.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay, now yeah, we have 9 minutes more, yeah, students. We continue just now to make page layout. Yeah, who want to try? Yeah, to set the margin. Every margin make one. Every margin make one. Yeah. Okay, Josefa. Okay, I will give name to you. You can move from there, yeah. Josefa. Okay, please, Josefa. This is 2, yeah. The margin, every margin 2. Now you change 1 to become 1.
I use tab, sir.
Huh?
I'm using tab, sir.
Oh. Okay, can you try? Can you repeat one more time so we can see?
Cannot, sir.
I already give. Okay, I see first, yeah. This Josefa, yeah. This is I already changed. Okay, we try again, yeah. Josefa, yeah. Josefa. Ready. Please, you can move from there. Ready, Ken. Please click. Please change the margin. Yeah, move. Okay. Yeah. Ken.
Cannot, sir.
Okay. Why cannot, Josefa? Okay. We click the table, ya.
Pencet, sir.
Ya, Josefa?
Nggak bisa dipencet.
Okay, Josefa. Because the active one is table. Yeah, we must click here, the text one. Ya, coba try. Try again.
Waktunya udah mau habis, Sir.
Oke. Oke lah, Josefa ya. Next time ya, we try ya. Okay, students. Okay, Josefa, I stop remote from here. Thank you for your attention.
Sir,
Ya?
typing.com-nya boleh diapa, Sir? Boleh lanjut.
Oh yes, of course. That's good. Ya, lanjut terus ya. Okay, students, I think enough for today ya. Thank you for your attention.